Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 7th when I'm recording this, and the market continues to move around all over the place, which is good for us. So we have gotten to cash as far as our swing trading positions because, well, look at the market. But then we have been doing some day trading. So I have a webinar. Let me pull this thing up. I have a webinar tonight, so you guys will probably be seeing this the day after. The webinar is recorded. I got some things I'll be talking about, what the market's doing, how long I think this is going to be lasting, and just what we can do about this. Now, today, and this is what I'm learning with the day trading stuff, is we got to take a shot because there are trades out there available to us. So this morning, the internals were bullish, they were strong. I thought since the market had tested and then bounced off the 15-minute 50, I thought maybe we would get a move to the upside, maybe a short squeeze, something like that. You know, as I said, internals were looking bullish, but it just couldn't go anywhere and nothing was really moving. So we decided to get out of that, and I was going to sit on my hands for the day, but we actually have some subscribers that took what I teach, the Moxie indicator, the rules, all this kind of stuff, and they saw the Moxie price trigger starting to fire to the downside. So they actually took some of these trades. I love it, taking what the teacher says and applying it to the students. And we had some really successful traders today that cashed in over 1,000% winners in the room. So let me show you. This has been just fantastic. We were having some really great chats in through here. So JML was doing it. We had a couple other people made some money selling some call credit spreads, mostly because this stuff just wasn't working out to the upside, and that's fantastic. And then part of the thing that I was doing, I was talking to to the subscribers. You can see here I was talking as like, I think the markets are at risk of failing support and price could easily fall to the 15-minute 50. And I said, then we could see if price breaks below the 15-minute 50. And I said the UVIX double bottom from yesterday to today is starting to get stronger. Markets look weak to me. And so here they are, they took those trades, and boy, today was fun just going through the chat, talking to everybody in here. Richard was saying, anybody told you I was a wizard, think you are. Moxie paid for the elite package already. So I do have a webinar coming up tonight. I also have a class coming up on Saturday, and of course, it's something to sell, it's something to buy, but I really want you guys to know I have so much conviction in this. As I continue to build this class and I keep showing example after example, I keep getting more excited about this because I keep seeing these opportunities. And today was another one of those opportunities where, surprise, there was over 1,000% move in these 0DT options right here, and the Moxie indicator called it. And then I even said, hey, I think price is going to go at least to the 15-minute 50 and is probably going to break it to the downside. And sure enough, it did. And that thing just carried. So yeah, big gains from relatively small moves. And again, now that the market is in this kind of turmoil situation, there's a lot going on out there. There's probably with the election also, that's starting to heat up. I think we have more volatility in store for us in the future. And this is a perfect time for me to be really emphasizing the day trading stuff with the 0DTE options and having you guys along for the ride with us, because even in the Moxie room, there are other traders and subscribers who are taking these trades based off the Moxie system and winning. So we're having a great time with this. I want to make sure you guys see this. And that class on Saturday is going to be an eye-opener. If you want to know why me, the guy who's been trading stocks for all this time, finally getting into options and not just like swing trading options, we're getting into daily expiry options. This is why, and because there are opportunities all over the place. I mean, even crazy, I'll just mention this. Yesterday, on the close, there was another Moxie price trigger right here on the close. And I even told people, I said, hey, I think we're going to be pulling back sometime today or yesterday. And if you took the aggressive entry, the 5280 put from here to here was 1,600%, 1,600%. If you took the more conservative one, which was right there, that paid 350%. And that was in less than an hour. So this is crazy how often there are opportunities and moves. And again, with the volatility being up like this, these things are paying. So I want to show you guys, make sure you check out the webinar, come to the class. I'm going to show you everything that I have been learning, and I want to convey it to you guys so that we make sure that we actually uncover all this craziness and how exciting this is for me. All right. I would love to share this with you guys. All right. Come into the class. I'll see you guys there, and take care. Later. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below.
Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.